So friends, welcome to my channel. Whenever you are trying to install the Sea of Thieves from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, it shows something unexpected happened, error code 0x87e0000d. So guys, the solution of this error is first step is log out and log in with correct account on Microsoft Store. Make sure date, time zone and region are correct. So this is the first step. So guys, watch this video till end because showing in this video the 6 steps. So the second step is go to Microsoft Store library and try installing from it. So this is the second step. And the third step is delete Microsoft Store local cache files. So this is the third step. Delete Microsoft Store local cache files. Now going on the fourth step, and the fourth step is repair or reset store. Yes guys, this is the fourth step, repair or reset the store. Now going on the fifth step, and the fifth step is update store from store library. Now this is the fifth step. Now going on the last and sixth step of this video. So the sixth step is uninstall and reinstall the store. Yes guys, uninstall and reinstall the store is the solution. So guys, these 6 solutions will help you in this error problem. So guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying in this video, and if you guys having any other problem you can comment me. And guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.